Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony. I just got in the Audio Technica's the ATH M50X BTs. So I ordered these here and to get this for my own use, and I've been really excited about these. My brother has the M50Xs and not the wireless version, so I'm like, well, with the way phones are going right now, maybe I should just order the wireless version and see how they operate. I did some research. People seem pretty pleased about them overall, so I was just like, okay, well, let's take a shot at them and see. They got to be better than the ones I've been using, and it's been a while since I've had over the years, so I'm actually pretty excited about being able to upgrade my experience with these wireless headphones. So they did a nice job so far packing the box. It seems like everyone's going to the let's have an experience in the unboxing, so we'll see how this all goes. But a little bit different area here than before, as I'm redoing some things in the house. But we can see here, empty box, and then they leave you with a nice box on the inside. So that's top, and here's how the box comes. Let me know too if you guys have any other products you're looking at, or what I should really try with these. I'm not huge into music and sound overall. Now, I have talked to some people I know that are really, do recording and everything else, and they recommended the wire versions of these as well. But with the way phones are going, like I said, I went wireless. So I've been pretty excited to actually receive these and actually, be able to see how well they operate, especially with, wireless and Bluetooth and everything else. I think that some of the specs on here for the phone, or for these, is that it has the Qualcomm aptX and the ACC wireless on there on the back. Also comes with a pouch and USB charging cable, as well as a wired control cable. So I like that feature where it can go wired as well, so you don't need it. And these have the 45 millimeter drivers in there as well, and has touch assistant on it, or touch control, so you can actually pull up your assistant, Siri, Google Assistant, answering phone calls, playing music, wire connection, USB charging. It's of course Bluetooth. So there's a lot of stuff in here. I believe it even has, somebody may be able to correct me on this, but I think it even has a mic. I'm not sure, or something like that. So it is quite impressive here what they're able to do, and to do this. So yeah, they even have a lot of the stuff here all mounted in. So the headphones here, they got it, so it adjusts. So I'm impressed with that. I mean, from what I know is that they're not going to be noise canceling, which I'm fine with. I didn't really need noise canceling for what I'm using for. I'm going to be mostly at work with them. So what's cool is they did cover the box in, cover up the camera. They did cover the box in cloth as well. So you see that the headphones are wrapped right around in cloth. That's actually a really nice feature. Keeps them protected there. Then once you get to the bottom of the box, you have your bag, and this feels like actually a pretty nice bag overall. Wow, I have to say, instructions for those of you that need instructions, that comes with them. So I'm gonna see how far I get without them first, and then maybe I'll use them. But then inside of this actually is a pretty nice bag overall. It feels pretty nice. I wonder what they made it out of. But they have a micro USB cable for charging. Now, it does take a while to charge. That's one downside. I wish it had USB-C, a little bit faster, quick charging on it. It doesn't. I mean, I'll live with it. If you're getting 40 hours out of it, I'm pretty impressed by that anyways. And if I'm listening on a computer, I can then plug it in and use the cable that it comes with as well. The cable actually does come with volume controls on it, and items, so I believe it's up, down on it as well for the volume. But I'm excited to take a look and see how well these all operate here, and I will let you know what I think here in a couple weeks as I get to test them. So let me know if you guys have something you want to test, or if you have any recommendations of how to, use the app of these and maybe tune them a little bit better, and so I get a better experience listening out of them as well. So I'm excited to hear that. And until next time, I want to thank you for subscribing to Gray Overload. Thank you for taking the time and spending this holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Kind of there. I took a little break there, spent some time with family. And so I'm glad to get back on this and create some more videos here too. And there should be some more soon. So I want to thank you for supporting this channel and helping it grow. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.